Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. My name is Rebecca, and if you're new here, I post videos all about luxury and lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of content, then definitely hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. And in today's video, I'm doing a very fun unboxing. As you can tell from the title, it is a Chanel unboxing, and it's actually jewelry from the 22P collection, which is actually brand new. I believe when I was in the store, she said that these were coming out on January 18th. We're past that at this point. But yeah, so this is from the brand new collection. I'm super excited. In this video, I'm going to unbox, show you the item, show you how the item looks on with a couple different ways of wearing it, and also kind of explain why I got this, how I got this, and what the purpose was. So if you want to see all of that, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I guess we'll start with the unboxing portion. It's a small item, as you can tell from the bag, and again, you can tell from the title, it is jewelry. I went ahead and picked up Chanel earrings. Now, I will get into why I did this. This is not something I would usually buy. I typically tend to want to buy like bags or small other goods just because I feel like I can use those a little bit more than I can jewelry, but I have a special reason as to why I did buy these. So first, let's go ahead and undo the ribbon. Oh, it's so sad undoing it. Then we have just the bag with the camellia flower. Then on the inside, we have my receipt in this little receipt envelope, if it will focus. Just has a little camellia indent. Then we pull out the box. And I think this is so cute, and I love how the flower actually like takes up the whole box. I hate to even open this. I just love the way it looks so much. But the box is very small. As you can see, I'm holding it with just one hand. So that was everything that was in the bag. Now, it's like I really just don't want to ruin it. Maybe I can try and slide it off gently. Will that work? Okay, yes, I think that will work, and I may even be able to get it back on. So here is the black little Chanel box. Honestly, Chanel's packaging is just gorgeous. I love the black and white. I just love how simple it is. I love the flower. I love it all. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Then, as you can see, we do have a little like dust cover here, and it says Chanel. Then there is a little booklet. Then we do have the price tag, which is connected to the item. So it looks like this is how the item comes. These are earrings. So this is actually my first pair of like luxury earrings. So when you open it up, oh, that's really unique actually. Like it covers all sides. So, oh, it's actually all put together. Okay. So yeah, these are the earrings. So I'm super excited. I think they are gorgeous. I was on the hunt for a pair of Chanel studs, and I found them. So these actually have little like crystals and pearl details, which I thought was really, really pretty, and they are in a silver color, which is exactly what I wanted. These are from the 22P collection, and they were $500 flat. So let me go ahead and put up here for you the tag just in case you are interested in this pair, and I'll hold it here for a second so you can get the info. So funny enough, actually, let's get into the story time of like why I got these and how I got them. I have been checking in Chanel since probably like November, December, every time I'm at the mall, and I just happen to stop in and ask if they have any studs. And for the longest time, each time I would go in, they just didn't have exactly what I was looking for. And originally the pair that I was looking for is actually part of their revolving collection, but I actually just never ended up being able to get it in the store, and you obviously can't order online from Chanel. And I'm actually kind of glad that I didn't get those and that these worked out, just because number one, it's really fun to have something from a new current collection. And actually, I got these 2 days before the collection even launched. So she pulled out the selection of earrings, which honestly, there really weren't that many. So I'm really surprised that I actually found a pair that I wanted and that fit the criteria I was looking for. She pulled these out and she said that these are actually from the new collection that would be launching on the 18th. And they technically, I don't even think really were supposed to be selling those pieces yet, but they had them, so they were selling them. These were the only pair in the store, and another lady had actually walked in, like after I already said I wanted these, saw these, and she wanted them, but they only had this one pair. So it was super lucky that I went in at the time that I did that day. Otherwise, these wouldn't have been there, and I would still be on the hunt. Now, why did I get these? I really do not spend a lot of money on jewelry. Really, my most expensive jewelry are my Tiffany necklaces from my fiance, and even those, I have like the, they're nothing crazy. There's no diamonds, none of that. It's just, a simple key, and I have the little heart tag, but I really just don't spend a lot on jewelry. I'd rather put that money towards luxury bags and, small leather goods. However, I really do like the look of Chanel earrings, and I think I would have gotten a pair eventually if I didn't have this specific reason to get them, but I haven't even told you why. I got these because I want to wear them on my wedding. I did get engaged in 2021 on my birthday, which was really exciting, and we are getting married in August of 2022. So again, I've been on the hunt because I knew that they'd be hard to get, so I wanted to start looking as early as I could, and I just really wanted to incorporate some luxury goods into my wedding look because I love luxury goods, and I think it looks so cute. And I think these are going to be perfect, especially because originally I was going to get ones that just had little crystals, but these ones had the little pearls and crystals, and I think that's actually really cute and really fitting for a wedding. I'm just inspecting these. Yeah, I think these are really cute and fitting for a wedding, so I'm really happy I found these. I'm really happy that the other pair that I wanted didn't work out. And I mean, $500 is steep for a pair of earrings, for sure, especially when this is costume jewelry. This is not real, so it's not real jewelry, not real diamonds, not real pearls, so it is expensive, so take that with what you will. I really don't know much about jewelry from luxury brands, to be honest with you. I just know that this is costume jewelry and it's not real jewelry. So would you rather spend your money on, real jewelry or just buy something like this? And for me, like I said, I knew I wanted a pair of Chanel earrings at some point. I now have a reason and an excuse to buy them. So I am going to go ahead and try them on just as a single stud. I do have 2 earrings up here, and I do have 3 holes down here, and I'm going to show you what these will look like with my other 2 holes having earrings, but I want to first just show you these by themselves. And this is actually my first time trying these on, so I'm excited to see how they look. I don't think I'll be wearing these before the wedding. I think I want to keep these as being special for the wedding, and then after that I'll wear them and they'll have that special meaning. I was kind of going back and forth because it's I want to wear them, but I also want to have that special feeling for my wedding. So this is what the backs look like. It's like the plastic. I don't love backs like this because it makes it difficult to wear other earrings, but we'll see how this ends up looking. So I actually don't have a mirror in front of me. Let me get a mirror. Let me pause. Okay, got a mirror so I can actually see what the heck I'm doing and put them on. Oh, these are so cute. And I was so worried they were going to seem like they were too big, but I think these are actually going to be good. Let's see how the one looks. Oh yeah. Let me zoom you in. Look how cute that is. I love that, and it's going to be so hard to not wear these up until the wedding. I know it's only not even 8 months away, but they're so cute. And I think, honestly, the studs I originally wanted were a lot smaller than this, and I'm really happy that I ended up going with this size because this actually, it's perfect. It hangs off the ear a little bit, but not too much, and I think they're noticeable, but it's not obviously if I zoom you back out, it's not that bad, at least from what I can tell. I really think it's really cute. And it was also kind of fun because me and my sister were at the mall together and we bought these together, and she is one of my bridesmaids. So it was nice to have her there with that purchase, and I don't know, it's cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other one in, and then I'm going to show you what these look like with other earrings in my other two holes, because I do think I intend to have my other two earrings in that day, but it depends. If I like this one earring look better, then that's what I'll go with. But for now, I want to show you both ways in case you are somebody that has multiple ear piercings. I really don't like the backs, and I think you can pop the plastic off. I tried to do it really carefully just now, like before I tried to put them on, but I couldn't, so I'll have to play around with that, or maybe just get different backs and use that. But there's the other pair. Let me zoom you in again. They look the same, but I love it. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. And I'm pretty sure I'm not doing my hair and makeup trial until later into 2022, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to have like a more firm look. Like my hair will be more firm on this side, and then I'll have it more like loose, and down on the other side, so that I have some profile that's like open and you can see the detail, and my hair is not just in my face, but we shall see. I'm obsessed. Let's go ahead and put my other earrings in, like I mentioned, so I can show you what that looks like. Typically, what I end up wearing is just 3 regular, like, stud earrings of different sizes, going from large to small. So we'll see how this looks with these earrings. Luckily, I think my second holes are far enough away from my first one that it doesn't overlap, which even if it did, I could always just skip to my third hole and just wear 2. That's definitely an option. But this ear, it's not far away. So on this ear, it's closer to the earring than on this ear. So I think that looks really cute though. Let me zoom in. I think that looks so cute. I wish my other one, honestly, the way my lobe piercings were done are not the best. I went with a gun, that type of thing, not at an actual piercing shop. So you kind of get what you get, but I really like the way that looks. I want to test putting it in maybe just doing one stud in my third hole on both sides, since my third hole would be farther away. So let's test that with a smaller one. We're just kind of playing around and, seeing how this looks. So, I really love these earrings though. Oh, I'm a dummy. The one I had it in was actually my third hole, not my second. My second is behind the earring. So that is something to think about, honestly, if that's something that bothers you. If you have 2 holes or more, and depending on where it's pierced, which I imagine it's going to be the same on everyone, it's going to be closer to the first hole. This does cover it, so just keep that in mind. So I went ahead and put a smaller stud in my third hole, and let's do the same thing on the other ear and see how that looks. See, my third hole on this ear is farther away, I can tell. But, I mean, obviously you're not looking exactly, let's see. So, to me, this ear is, just perfection. Look at that. I love it. Then we have this ear, which I don't think it looks bad. I'm trying to look as well. It's hard to look in the viewfinder, but it's definitely farther away. I can tell looking at it, side by side, but I don't think it matters, because honestly, people have all types of different ear piercings. I mean, clearly my ears don't match. I have this here, I have these 2. So, it is what it is, but I just genuinely love how these look. Okay, now that we're past the try on, let's zoom back out. All right. So basically that is it for this video. I know that's not that exciting, but I really just wanted to share the unboxing and the why that I got these earrings and show you how they look, especially because they are part of the current collection right now. Now, I know the new collections items go fast. It is so hard to get anything, it seems like, in general. New collection, permanent collection, all of it is so hard to get from Chanel. But I did want to get this video filmed and uploaded while this was a current collection in case you were interested. I will go ahead and have the details from here in the description box as well, and I did show it on the screen earlier, so if you are interested, then you can take that information to your sales associate and ask if they have these. I love these, and honestly, obviously I haven't worn them. I don't know how they wear and how they're going to hold up. I would definitely buy more earrings based on how I just love the way these look. Obviously, I do have like a similar taste, so if I did get another pair, they would look a lot like this, so it may not be worth it to have multiple, but I could see myself getting more Chanel earrings in the future. Now, I'm going to say that, I have a feeling, again, I don't know for sure, and like I said, I'm probably not going to wear these until the wedding other than right now, but I have a feeling that these may irritate sensitive ears just because I don't know what the metal is. If I can find it, I will let you know. It says earrings, silver, pearly white, and crystal, but I don't know if it's actual silver that these earrings are made with. I will try to find it online if I can and leave it in the description box, but just bear that in mind. They are not, again, they're not real jewelry, so it's possible that you may have some irritation from them. Right now, they feel fine, but usually my irritation sets in like later, like if I've been wearing earrings for like 8-9 hours, then I can start to kind of feel that irritation, but I don't know. Again, I cannot say for sure because I don't know what the metal is. So just do your research, keep that in mind. But I'm going to wrap this video up. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.